How to lock your WhatsApp profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose to guide you to lock your WhatsApp profile picture. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Select settings to access your profile. So in order to lock our WhatsApp profile picture, is the only way. The one is to remove completely our WhatsApp profile picture. For that, go to tab or top of the screen and tap on it. After that, you can tap on camera icon on the profile picture and tap on the delete icon at top right corner, and here you can select the remove button. The one way is this to restrict the other users to watch or see our WhatsApp profile picture. The other is to simply go to privacy at top of the screen, tap on profile photo and tap on nobody so that no one can be able to see our WhatsApp profile picture and it will remain locked. So these are the two ways for now. If any updates are there on WhatsApp, you can easily use those updates to lock profile picture. So that is how we lock our WhatsApp profile picture. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, then hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.